Okay, so the other day we came outside, we opened the garage door, at least we tried to open the garage door, and what happened was the arm of the garage door opener came back and the door didn't move. What you can see here is this arm pulled out of the door itself, like it completely ripped out of the door. So the only way we can fix that, well, I guess there's a couple ways. One would be to maybe take this whole door panel off and swap it with one of the lower door panels that actually has the mounting hole still intact. That's a lot of work, so we decided against that. The other one would be, well, maybe we can just weld it back together and drill new holes. The only problem with that is I don't know how to weld, so we dismissed that as an option. So the third thing we came up with is we found a replacement bracket that we can install in the door panel, and this is what it looks like. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go through the process of installing this new bracket in place in case you happen to run into the same situation that we did. First thing we need to do is make sure that this bracket is flush again. So we need to hammer it back in place. Okay, so the next thing on this particular door is this door has additional struts on each of the panels. So in order for us to be able to put a replacement bar on this door panel, we're going to have to remove this additional strut right here because it's going to be right in the way. You determine the height of your door panel with the bracket and adjust it accordingly. Then what you'll do is you'll take the included bolts and attach the bracket to the required height before you install it. So the next thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to loosen the bolts where this bracket is going to go. So we're going to do that now. And then we'll just put the bolts back in place loosely until we can tighten them down. Be sure not to tighten the bolts down too tight, because you don't want to strip them. Alright, make sure your bracket bolts are tight. Then what you'll want to do is you'll want to remove, if this is still on the arm of the door, you'll want to remove this bracket and this pin. And then attach the arm to the opener. And be sure to secure it. You gotta also make sure that these bolts that you use to put these two pieces of the bracket together are tight. And once everything's tightened down, you can go ahead and try opening your garage door. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to purchase the bracket that we use on this video, be sure to check out the description. We will include a link in that below to go to the location where we purchase ours. And also, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, where we publish videos on how to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.